Haven't had this off yet. Well, think about this one. Eric, you got a little propane torch? She's tight on there. This brass. We haven't had it apart yet, so. But if we're gonna cut with it, we probably get some bar oil in there. So a little bit of history back on this. My friend Steve at Scrappy's Adventures YouTube channel was over there, and we were talking about it. I was looking for a 2-man chainsaw to hang on the front of the green truck here, the Grinch. And he said, I got an air-powered one. And sorry, Eric, man, I can't get this thing to open up. What do you think about that? I mean, I don't think I'm gonna get a socket on there, do you? I mean, it's pretty chewed up. I think so, yeah. My man right there. So I says, Steve says, I got an air-powered one. So I went over there and looked at it, and I had to have it. And we made a deal. And then I took it to my buddy Tom Ross's, and he saw it in the back of the truck, and it didn't work. It was locked up. And so we took it apart, and I had about 3 nights worth of taking it apart, replaced 3 bearings in it. And anyway, she's working now. So, but we're actually gonna do some cutting with it today. We're gonna try. Good job, buddy, good job. My man right there. Flathead Eric always comes through in the clutch. She was tight, wasn't she?
Yeah,
is there an O-ring on that?
No, just corrosion. Have you not had it open yet?
No, never had it open. Oh, do you think we just dump some in there and see what happens, don't you?
Yeah.
It should just...
Is there oil here too? Or is that case like gear oil?
There is gear oil in there, yes.
So that's the bar oil?
Yes. The old man hooked me up with this. The old man hooked me up with the old bar oil. And your funnel, I'll tell you what, it takes a team to do this kind of stuff, doesn't it? It takes a team.
My air hose only goes to about back to 2 bits.
Perfect, it'll be great. We probably shouldn't need much in there, huh? I'm sure it's probably good enough. We're just gonna cut a little bit. And so the saw hadn't run, and
then you gotta open this one.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. Hopefully it'll start leaking on the truck. We hope. I guess leave it open and see if it starts dripping, huh? We'll know. And then, yeah, so he says, that's a little warm. A little warm. I got a rag in there, I think. I got a glove. You getting her? Yeah, I got her. So we got it running. I don't know how I was going with that, but John's a great editor. It is that making me look like silly. It is right out of there. You know what I mean? John, you're amazing, bud. Putting up with me for how many years, John? You been putting up with me?
Oh, about 20 years.
20. Now, out there in YouTube land, if you said to John, what you know, man, tell me about Tom, he could just go on and on about things I could do better. You know what I mean? But if you ask me about Johnny, I can't say any complaints, man. I'll tell you, Johnny, a good dude. He a good dude right there. All right, you want to grab that in, Johnny?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna grab this in the center here, just like this. There you go. We're gonna run her today. I don't know if that oiler's working. I was gonna just stack a couple pieces of wood here and maybe just kind of see if that'll work. I brought some. Yeah, what do you think? Let's do it. Oh, that's true. Yeah, but
that way it's kind of thicker than
right, yes. Right. Yeah, probably. I don't know if it's working. Yeah, that should be it, don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I bet the bar helps pull it in.
Yeah, is this running?
That's how it does my whole home.
Oh yeah, buddy. So it's probably been 30. He'll just do the safety squints. Eric's a safety squinter. The old safety squints. All right, let's see. Let's give her a little test run here just for the. Let's give it a shot. Just lock her right here, huh? Well, the problem is we gotta have, it takes a 1/2 inch air hose. We're running through a 1/4 inch, or
Yeah,
I mean, we're just
long.
Yeah, we just
It takes a lot of air volume.
It takes a lot of air volume. Yeah, we'll do cut a little bit more.
Go over it more often than not.
Okay. It just ain't enough air pressure.
Let me see what my thing is.
Well, oh, it's okay. Yeah, hey, we just, yeah, we just wanted to film, make sure she cut a little sawdust. Been the first time in 30 years she's been eating. Yeah, you can do it. But who wants to? There's that. Yeah, give it a little wrap. What's that cluster? I'm feeling.
Eric said it's like 4 or 5 different bars. Yeah, but that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah. Ours is flat, welded.
It just feels good. You know what I mean? And you can put it on cruise control. That's what sparked this whole thing. That one there, I'm like, hey, what's right? He didn't want to really get rid of it. I don't blame him. Sure. So I started asking around for 2-man saw, and that's when Steve said, let's get that one out and put it over there next to it.
Eric, how long have you had this 2-man?
This one? Yeah. Not very long. A year, I think.
That's a big kid right there, dude.
The place I got it from, it sat on the hood of this 71 Plymouth station wagon for about 40 years, I think. Just sitting there in the junkyard, just sitting on it, and the whole rest of the wagon was filled with chainsaws.
Is it stuck or cool?
It's a 2-stroke, it'll probably fire right up.
It's stuck.
Oh, is it stuck?
The problem is I had to plug it on it.
Oh.
No gas tank either. There's supposed to be a gas tank pulled to right here. So
Just let it soak in some water. It's nature's degreaser.
yeah. The cool thing is this is all magnesium though. And turn this thing, I don't know if I can get to do it.
It's a rotating head.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll spin any direction.
You know, on the red one, it feels like you just would, when you're coming for that side cut, you just kick that on, so it's locked on, and you hold it with that in there, so it just falls under.
Oh, gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Yep, for sure.
Where the guy's holding here, it just cuts this way, right?
Yeah, then you got your throttle right here.
That's a big boy right there.
Yeah. Didn't need it, but had to have it.
Dude, it's like looking into a mirror. You know what I mean? Absolutely. Didn't need it, had to have it. So the thought is red saw. Right here. Right here. Wow, that's you want to hang it up? You want to hold it up there, Daz? What are you saying? Just get the heavy end. What an asshole. I mean, what a good guy.
Which way you want to go?
Right there. That's perfect. Right there. Yep. BAMF is out. Right there. That's it. Maybe a little higher. So you could, yeah, someone just like right in there. Yep.
See it from the cab.
Yeah, exactly. You want to be able to look over the red and then so
going?
Make the mounts, and then when we're at the car show, you run the little you get a tank in the back, maybe some compressed air like a CO2 tank or something like that with a regulator on it.
Yeah.
And then run that. You just undo the hose, run it out, hook it up. Maybe do a little ball valve on the line so you can make it lope with that, just a little bit of air. So it'll just.
Here you go, kid.
Air ride.
Take it over.
What's that?
Take it over.
Geez, Dad, what are you run out of steam?
Yeah.
And
I had no idea.
anyway, we don't have to hold it here, but I like the look of it though. I do like the look of it. And then we can run it at car shows and bring the hose out and run it. Then we'll stop and get that Jimmy John's bread that's free. You can go and get those loaves, and we'll cut loaves of Jimmy John's bread, and you put them up on here, and you know, we just sound like a quarter a piece. You know what I'm saying? A little fuel money on the way home. Thanks a lot for joining South Omaha Speed. We'll catch you next time. Tell your neighbors and friends. And thanks everybody for coming and being part of the filming today and having us out, Eric and Big Tim and Scott and the old man and Johnny. It's always great to have you along too, buddy. Until next time.